Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make pizza. Some of the ingredients we have here is flour with salt in it. Now add the yeast that looks like fish food. And it's this kind, active dry yeast. Then mix the yeast in the flour. Then make a well in the middle. Then add the olive oil in the spoon, 1 tablespoon. Then put it in the well. A few of it. Mix it a bit everywhere.
No, just leave it. Then
just
mix.
Leave it. Okay. Then we put the water with sugar melted in it in the well. Looks like this. This looks like bubbly. Now mix it. It looks like cakey.
It should be a little bit warm water, not too hot.
Or keep adding slowly. This is funny because it's so slimy. Looks like a wetland, right? If it gets too dry, you can add more.
Yeah, but slowly add the water so that you can control your flour. Or else it's too wet then.
We call the water sugar, we call it just sweet water. Then slowly add the sweet water again when it's extremely dry, like this.
But when you add the yeast, don't add it directly to the salt, the yeast.
It has to grow.
It will not work properly.
Now here it is. Now mix with your hand. It's getting stickier. Make sure all the flour sticks together. Just keep mixing till all the flour sticks up. Now the sticky part. It's like sticky dough. Sticks in your hand.
You will work hard with the dough.
Until it will be not too sticky. Maybe always.
You need to knead for at least 5 minutes.
Now it looks like this right now. Before it was really sticky. Now it's at least a bit
you
smooth.
have to just keep doing it.
Like punch dough. Just like you're angry at it. You're having bad day, make a dough. Then you can punch it. If I'm extremely mad, do it. Look, just punch it.
Well, if you're mad doing your food, it doesn't taste good. You have to be happy making food so that the food will be taste good.
I don't know why does that feeling makes different taste buds.
Yeah. Sorry.
And then later I'm gonna swoosh it because it's gonna be extremely puffy, duffy. Like my fish. This looks like chapati, but it's a pizza dough. The way you roll it and smash it is like chapati. Keep on kneading until it's formed into a ball, because this bowl is extremely noisy. Noisiest bowl I ever heard.
Then you can rest this one for
30 minutes to 1 hour maybe?
Yeah, until it double sizes.
Or triple. Because sometimes
up to you.
You want it to be very fluffy.
Yeah,
this thing is already growing.
It will grow
faster.
Okay.
Just don't get in contact
make sure that
with
your
oxygen.
yeast is properly working. Then put some oil in it. Then
what kind of oil? Olive oil?
Yeah.
Okay. Then add in a teensy binsy 1 hand of olive oil. Show the amount.
Not really.
1 hand, just a little bit, maybe 1 teaspoon.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really stick when it grows big.
You need to.
This is like a childhood and goes to adulthood in a few minutes or
Yeah.
hours.
See?
Look, it's already grew up a little bit.
And then
Now here it is in cling film. Then cover it with a large towel.
put
Put
it
it over
for
there.
30 minutes.
Or 1 hour.
Yeah.
Make sure it grew up.
This is the best thing you should do. Here, here. Madam, here.
You want me to eat something? Okay.
Crunch it. There you go. Then
Let's play with this for 5 minutes.
you need to cut it.
Oh,
Four
kitty
piece.
little Moochie. Goodbye, Moochie. And now we have 4 pieces, and I'm making it shaped as a little Moochie ball.
Can make pizza anytime.
It's satisfying. Let's have an ASMR first before we end the video.
Then we can make pizza. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make pizza for my lunch. Here are the vegetables, tomato sauce, and spinach. Now let's have an ASMR with this dough. After you're done with your satisfactory, roll it. I'm rolling the dough. Look at this large pizzeria. Wow, it's so big. Some people just use this and then fly it, and when it's on the ceiling, it won't fall down. And then they say, where's my pizza? And it falls on their head. Ha ha ha. Oopsie. Fine. Now it's ready, then we poke holes in it like this. Da 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 da. Oh yeah. Add as many as holes as you can fit, but da 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 da. Maybe up here too. Enough. Then we put it in the pan for a while to heat it up, and then it will be steam come out of here. Heat up the pan and cook for a few minutes. Then flip on the other side until it's a bit brown. If you don't have an oven, you can just cook it in the pan and cover it. And here's our pizza cooked and then brush with olive oil or just pour. Then add tomato sauce. A lot of them will do because it smells delicious. And now here we have it, and then add some of these spinach. Then add bell peppers, yellows, red, and green. Go wild with it. And here we have our pizza. Now we have to put it in the oven. Then add the cheese before you put it in the oven. Woohoo! That's a lot of cheese. I like cheese. Add more. If you don't have an oven, you can cook it in a pan and then cover it. There we go. Now we have to put it in the oven at 220 degrees until it's golden brown. Let's eat. Yummy. We have another pizza stuffed crust and put in the oven. Now it's cooked. Yummy. There's a cheese on the side. That's why it's called stuffed crust. Now it's ready. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.